If you're in your 30s or 40s and haven't taken retirement planning seriously yet, you're not alone, but it's time to change that. Whether you're working 9 to 5, running your own business, your future self depends on the decision you make today. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is 401k, especially if your employer offers a match. That match, it's free money. Yet millions of people leave it on the table every year. A traditional 401k allows you to invest pre-tax dollar, lowering your taxable income now while going your Nasdaq tax referred. If you're younger and expect your income to raise, consider on Roth 401k instead. You pay taxes on the money now, but withdrawals in retirement are completely tax free. Don't have access to a 401k? No problem. Individual retirement accounts or IRAs offer similar benefits. A traditional IRA gives you the same tax deferred growth, and in many cases, your contributions are tax deductible. A Roth IRA, on the other hand, doesn't give you an upfront tax break, but your money grows tax free and you won't do anything when you withdraw it in retirement as long as you follow the rules. The key is to start early. Thanks to compound interest, investing $200 a month starting at 30 could grow to over 200k dollar by age 65 depending on market returns. Wait just 10 years and that number is nearly cut in half. Time is your greatest asset. Even if you're late to the game, starting now is better than doing nothing. The worst retirement plan is no plan at all. Diversification matters too. Don't just throw everything into one fund or stock. Consider low cost index funds, target date, retirement fund, or ETFs that automatically adjust risk as you get closer to retirement. And remember, fees eat into your returns. Always check the expense ratio of your investment. Lastly, don't forget about taxes in retirement. A mix of traditional and Roth accounts give you flexibility and control over your taxable income later. This is called tax diversification and it's just as important as investment diversification. Retirement is not an age, it's a number. It's about financial independence, not just quitting your job. Whether your goal is to retire at 65, 55, or even 45, the earlier you plan, the more options you will have. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more straight to the point finance content and drop a comment with your retirement goals or questions.